Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the battle pass. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. What he wants from the item shop should be around here somewhere. And remember, it does not matter how many V-Bucks it is, just go on and sign up for it. So this is a bundle, we're gonna gift it. I'm gonna go take a look at our party, select his name, sending the gift, and he should get the gift right away. So right now, if we go back, we can check that he got it by just going over his name. So he says owned. So at this point in time, what we can do is go back and he should be able to wear that skin. Now if he didn't get it right away, he can just change his banner. That's gonna reset Fortnite, well, refresh Fortnite. Or we can go into game and get out of it, and that's also gonna refresh Fortnite. And there we go, Tassin got the skin. So congrats for winning. Remember guys to watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming right up. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. Just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.